Village girl that wants to look tush. Hi friends, I don't know if I'm the only one that is experiencing this. In fact, I've been experiencing it for a very long time and I just feel I'm tired. I need to change. I'm a fan of mascara. I love mascara so much that I buy it in bulk. I just, when you buy things and put in the house, you don't want to run out of it. So of recent, whenever I take off my makeup, some particles of this mascara goes into my eyes that I don't like. At times it takes hours or probably days before it goes off, and I just want to change. I'm tired. I'll still be using it, but I think I should change. I want to start using eyelash. I've never done it by myself before, so I bought eyelash and what's it called? Glue. It's not glue they call it a bondi, whatever. So I want to try it myself. Let's see how it goes. Watch. It's been a while I bought it. See the back. I just want to bring it out from one place like that. I hid it. So let's see how it goes. I've watched a couple of videos on how to do it. So let's see if I can actually do this for myself. And if it comes out good, trust me, I'll be very happy. At least I will allow mascara to rest for a while. So let's just say it's alright. How they take the pull and come out? Hey. Some people will be saying, no, they hard nah. It's not they hard. That one na for you. This is my first time. They hard. Eh. My eye is already doing me somehow.
Say you love me. Tell me something good. Did you find what you need?
It's not bad. Oh, it's first attempt though. Let's say you go clear. Not bad. It's like it's too, how will I say it? I did not start it from here. But what do you guys think? See where I started it from, this particular place. Or should I take it to this other side? Should I shift it forward like here like this? Or is it normal? Is it like this? So let me know what you think in the comment section, okay? I'm still learning. No, today is my first day. I never feel something myself before. But someone has actually done it for me. But this is the first time I'm trying it myself. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Alright, let me do this other one.
Say you love me. Tell me something good. Did you find what you need? Tell me everything. I see you again in my dreams. So why is it so hard to believe? Say you love.
So guys, this is what it looks like after fixing the other one. For those of you that is very good in fixing eyelash, let me know what you think. This is the very first attempt. I've not even done it aside camera. Very first attempt, and for me it's okay. And based on what I've heard, they said it's not even difficult to take out. Whenever you want to take it out, you just pull it gradually. If you find it difficult, you just put a little bit of oil, then it will be easy for you to remove. So you see, first attempt, and this is what it looks like. I think I like it. It's okay. See, my face don't change small. Instead of mascara, always let me try other things. And to me, it's okay. Let me know what you think about this. If I'm to rate it, I think I'll be rating it over 5/10. So let me know what you think in the comment section and rate it over 10 if I try. No partial. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.